ZANU-PF Legal Affairs boss Patrick Chinamasa has fired 6 members of the Varakashifo ED. Sanabinda mashoko ataunta aiwa panguva inoi chaos uramba chiirapta vakomana vachatrustani pachavo. Tikuona kuti each and every single day they are firing, especially maloyalist general. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timu mnaomudwani kwa mchenzi. The social media unity is a group of internet trolls hired by the ruling party to attack its opponents and shape online discourse in favor of President Edi Mnangagwa. Chinamasa, who serves as the executive director of the Varakashifo ED social media unity, announced the dismissal in a letter dated February 11, 2025, addressed to the party's national political commissar, Munyaradzi Machacha. Chinamasa revealed that the decision followed a high-level meeting with Mnangagwa on February 3 to discuss disciplinary concerns within the unit. On February 3, in courts 2025, I met with His Excellency the President and First Secretary of ZANU-PF Comrade Edi Mnangagwa to discuss disciplinary issues within the Varakashifo ED social media unity, which I lead as the Executive Director. Chinamasa wrote, after reviewing serious infractions by rogue elements who attacked the unity's leadership and senior party officials, the following recommendations were made. As a result, Jonas Mandiwisa Msara, Tafadza Mawiri, Tinotenda Akachange, Felix Muzondo, Pardon Mangwende, and Herbert Mate were permanently removed from the Varakashifo ED social media unity. Chinamasa also informed Machacha that Norman Bimbi would now serve as the administrator of the Varakashifo ED, while Derek Goto would take the role of director of operations. The recent sackings within Varakashifo ED suggest a renewed effort by Mnangagwa to tighten his grip on the party's internal structures and control dissenting voices within the information machinery. Tomashikana muda panapa zvinzi vakomana panguva ino vari kuda kuramba vachiimprove their grip on power, kuti varamba vachitonga. Tichiona vachifaya vakomana vari kuona kuti mathreats vari kufumura vachiexposa chokwadi. Tudze mafungiro embo kudi pamusoro pechiitiko chipinda comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.